Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to set up multi-track audio recording in OBS Studio. If you want to do so, follow these steps. Firstly, in the audio mixer dock, click the gear icon at the bottom left to open Advanced Audio Properties. Alternatively, go to Edit in the menu bar and select Advanced Audio Properties. Assign each audio source to a specific track. For instance, set track 1 to include all audio sources so it plays back in standard video players. Use tracks 2 to 6 to separate each other's source individually. Now, go to Settings, then Output. Under the Recording tab, enable the tracks you want OBS to record. Now, your OBS recording will have multiple audio tracks ready to post-processing in your editor. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.